Shri Bhagwati presents Oil Filling Line. An oil filling machine is a type of industrial machinery used to automate the process of filling containers with various types of oils, such as cooking oil, lubricating oil, or automotive oil. These machines are commonly used in manufacturing and packaging facilities where large quantities of oil need to be accurately and efficiently dispensed into bottles, cans, drums, or other containers. Filling nozzles. These are specialized nozzles designed to dispense the oil accurately into containers. The number of nozzles can vary depending on the machine's capacity and the desired filling speed. Pumping system. Oil filling machines are equipped with pumps that draw oil from a reservoir or storage tank and deliver it to the filling nozzles. The pump system ensures a consistent and precise flow of oil. Oil filling machines can significantly increase production efficiency and accuracy while reducing labor costs. They are widely used in industries ranging from food and beverage production to automotive manufacturing and chemical processing, where precise filling of oil is a critical part of the production process. After filling process is completed, then bottles will go for capping machine, also known as a cap sealing machine or a cap tightener, is a type of industrial equipment used to automate the process of sealing containers filled with various types of oils, such as cooking oil, lubricating oil, or automotive oil, by applying caps or closures securely. These machines are commonly used in manufacturing and packaging facilities to ensure that containers are tightly sealed, preventing leaks and contamination. After capping process is completed, then bottles will go for labeling, also known as a labeling or label applicator machine, is a piece of industrial equipment designed to automate the process of applying labels to containers filled with various types of oils, such as cooking oil, lubricating oil, or automotive oil. These machines are commonly used in manufacturing and packaging facilities to ensure that containers are accurately and consistently labeled, providing product information, branding, and regulatory compliance. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.